I had concerns about the effectiveness of reporting in schools and whether indeed it gave parents the information they needed. So the idea of engaging parents a lot better in their children's education and finding a vehicle by which to do that was something, in my case, that was knocking at an open door, and I was very excited about its potential. I'm really very concerned about online reporting to parents. I think we've gone through an era whereby we've spent a lot of time on statement banks, which are not personalised anyway, but they have the benefit of reducing teacher workload. But they're formulaic, they don't apply to every youngster, they have to be modified, so that then creates more work. And in looking at data of take-up of online reporting, parents are not necessarily reading the reports. They, in many cases, must be assuming that unless they're told differently, things are okay. And the data we have is indicating they're not even accessing the report after all the work that's gone into them, and therefore there's no benefit to their child's education through using an online reporting system. So we have deep concerns about that, shared, I'm sure, with many other schools in the country. We wouldn't be alone in that sort of with that sort of problem.